Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to handle returns on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you want of course. Then in the top right corner, we have your inbox and the selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and handle returns on Shpock. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the buyer needs to state why they want to return the item. This is typically done through the chat feature on Shpock. If both parties agree to return, the seller provides a return address in the chat. The buyer sends the item back using a track delivery method and covers the return shipping cost. The buyer shares the proof of postage in the chat so the seller can monitor the delivery status. Once the item delivered back to the seller can initiate a full refund by canceling the deal by the panel at the bottom of the chat. The refund will be processed to the buyer's original payment method within 5 days. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.